USB Type-C is increasingly becoming a standard for charging and transferring data for some of the best laptops, Chromebooks, and tablets on the market. They are reliable, inexpensive, and provide the fastest charging solution. This video lists the top 7 best USB-C wall charging adapters in 2021. Up first is the RAVPower 61W. This USB-C wall charger adapter from RAVPower delivers a quick charge with up to 61 watts for various PD devices from laptops to smartphones. Its iSmart 2.0 can automatically detect the charging input and match the device to optimize for the fastest charging speed. And its universal compatibility can charge most PD and non-PD devices and offers the fastest possible charge to most USB-C and USB-A devices, including MacBook Pro, Surface Pro, Chromebook tablets, iPad, and more. Plus, its Type-C charger's built-in safeguards will protect against overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting. And its super lightweight and portable design make it easy to store in your bag and carry with you on the go. Next is the Anker 60W. This charging adapter from Anker comes with the power to charge 2 laptops at once, and the 60-watt output delivers high-speed charging to all USB-C and Lightning devices. Its intelligent power allocation technology distributes power between devices and allows for high-speed charging up to 60 watts when a single device is connected. And it is 2.5 times faster than the 5-watt charger that comes with your iPhone. Furthermore, its premium components and UL certification ensure complete protection for you and your devices. Moving on to the next is the Anker Powerport Atom PD 130W. This Powerport Atom delivers full-speed charging to your iPhone or iPad via the included USB-C to Lightning cable. It can charge the iPhone 2.5 times faster than the stock charger that comes in its box, and its ultra-compact design can fit practically anywhere. Plus, its exclusive Multi-Protect safety technology ensures complete protection for you and your devices. And its universal compatibility can charge the full range of USB-C phones, tablets, laptops, and more. Next is the Nekteck 60W. This charging adapter features an advanced GaN technology and charger size to 50% smaller with superior charging efficiency. Its foldable plugs provide extra portability and prevent scratches, and its exceptional safety features work together to provide multiple protections for you, your devices, and chargers. Plus, its universal compatibility can charge laptops, tablets, phones, even power banks, and other USB-C devices at full speed. Next in line is the Apple 18W. Apple 18W USB-C power adapter offers fast, efficient charging at home, in the office, or on the go. It is compatible with any USB-C enabled device, and Apple suggests pairing it with the 11-inch iPad Pro and 12.9-inch iPad Pro for optimal charging performance. Plus, it can also pair with iPhone 8 or later to take advantage of the fast charging feature. Next is the AUKEY Omnia. This AUKEY Omnia features a foldable plug for maximum portability and makes it extremely handy for home, office, and vacations. Its 100-watt power delivery charger can power most PD devices. And it also works with iPhones, iPad Pro, Switch, and other compatible USB-C devices that support USB power delivery. Plus, it can fully charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch in just 1.8 hours and allows you to fast charge your iPhone 11 up to 50% in 30 minutes. Moreover, its advanced GaN power chip can dramatically improve charging efficiency to over 90% to keep the internal components cool. And its built-in safeguards protect your devices against excessive current, overheating, and overcharging. Last on our list is the Anker Powerport Speed. This Anker charging adapter combines the power IQ and voltage boost and ensures the fastest possible charging speed. It has 6 ports that pump out 60 watts of power for enabling simultaneous multi-device charging. And its surge protection, temperature control, and more advanced safety features help keep you and your devices safe. It is also compatible with iPhones and iPods, Android smartphones, tablets, and other USB charged devices. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please hit the subscribe button below.